back. You're watching Food Whims and Whimsy. My name is Carmody Pasquale and today I'm going to show you how to make tzatziki. So let's go over the ingredients. We're going to be using some Persian cucumbers. If you don't have Persian cucumbers, you can use a hothouse cucumber or an English cucumber. We're also going to be using a little lemon zest, some garlic, some red wine vinegar, good olive oil, some herbs such as mint and dill, and of course the Greek yogurt, a little sour cream for flavor, and then a little salt. So I'm going to start with the cucumbers, and I'm going to actually grate it right in this kitchen towel, because what we're going to do is we're going to salt it and we're going to drain the liquid out. So I'm going to start doing that. And I'm going to leave the peels on. You can remove them if you like, but I enjoy them and I think it's pretty. So I'm going to do about 4. Here we go. Now I'm just going to salt it a little. I'm going to use about a teaspoon of salt for this part. And we're just going to let it sit for about 10 minutes. So the cucumbers have been sitting, and if you look, there's a lot of liquid on the bottom of this. So we're going to just go ahead and squeeze it out. I'm going to use this towel right here. Give it a good squeeze. Look at all the liquid that came out of that. Wow. Because you don't want this in your recipe. It's just going to water it down. So today I'm using a full-fat Greek yogurt, and you want to use the full fat because if you use one that's just a regular yogurt, it's just going to be a little too watery. So you really want to make sure you get the Greek yogurt. And I'm using about 2 cups, so I'm going to use half this container. We're making a lot today. This is a 32 ounce. Okay, so that looks about right. Put that aside. I'm also going to add a little sour cream. Sour cream really does liven it up a little bit. And I'm going to add about half a cup, so about 2 tablespoons. You know, everything in cooking is about your taste. So if you enjoy something, go ahead and use it. We're also going to add a couple of cloves of garlic. So here we go. Squeeze that. Add the other one. I'm also going to add a little bit of lemon zest. Not the whole thing, just a nice amount right there. And I'm also going to add some lemon juice. And I'm going to use my little lemon squeezer because I have it. Just want a couple of tablespoons. There we go. To this acid, I'm also going to add a little red wine vinegar. I love red wine vinegar in this. If you don't have red wine vinegar, white wine vinegar is absolutely delicious. Champagne vinegar. There we go, just a little bit right there. Give it a good mix. I also like to add a nice amount of salt. So it's going to be about a tablespoon of salt. Again, it's for your taste. There we go. And now I'm going to go ahead and add that beautiful cucumber to the mix. Give it a mix again. Look at the color, it looks absolutely gorgeous. See the thickness of that yogurt? Absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to finish it off with some herbs and a little olive oil. So we're going to be using a little mint today. Just a nice little amount right there. And some dill. So keep it good. Just give it a good chop. Always tucking in those fingers. That's about right. Probably about 1 or 2 teaspoons. A teaspoon about for each of them. And then I'm going to finish it off with just a little bit of olive oil. Just a little. Just to help all the flavors mold together. And a little pepper. Some fresh pepper. And give it a good mix. And that is done. I want to give it a good taste. So the only thing that's left to do is give it a good taste. Guys, this is the best. If you like this recipe, check out my Gyro's recipe and my pita bread recipe. And don't forget to subscribe and watch the other videos. Thank you.